everybody, welcome back for another video. You can see I have another box from Pression. King was having a sale on a certain size of rings and a certain size of traveler's notebook, and I know in the past I have said that this is my least favorite size and I will never use this size ever again. And then I sold every single traveler's notebook and folio cover I had in this size. Well, it's been about 4 years and I've been using a sketchbook in this size. And even Zen Art Supply sent me one. This is one I purchased and they sent me one, so I've got two now. So let's just take a look and see what we have inside the box. Okay, oh, there's some January stickers this time. Ooh, a little freebie. These are, whose are these by? Scribble Prints Co., that's who they're by. And then these are Pression stickers. Well, here, let me pull everything out. And I did get some inserts, or an insert. And let me set the box aside. I hold on to the boxes because I use them to store my old used inserts, or if there's some planner goodies that I'm really enjoying using at the moment, then I will put them in here and cart this around with me throughout the house if I take my stuff up front or in the back. So we got that out of the way. So I want to look at these. Sorry, I had an iced coffee. There's a little water on the table. I want to see these stickers. I want to see what's in here. January, February. Ooh, look at May, June. And I do have a couple of June and Julys. So I'm glad to have these so I can start building up my collection so I can use them next year. So it means I've got to order a couple of months. And what are these? Ooh. They're like those, they're Scribble Prints Co. They're like, this is Louis Vuitton. That looks like it's Disney inspired. Those look like that Fox and Pitbo. And these are Disney. Very cute. Okay, let's put all of the stickers over there. And then I did get an insert. Oh, it's lined paper. That's what this is. I thought I got 2 of these. Maybe I only got 1. Anyways, but it is basically just lined paper. Okay. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but I added this to the order in order to get this really reduced. Okay. Ooh, what's in here? Here we are. So you'll see it is the same material as my new little pocket rings, right? This is called the Latte. Here's my pocket rings that I've been using since I got it a few weeks ago. But this is a B6 TN. And they do have a little Pression card in the pocket. This material reminds me of the Saffiano leather of my Filofax, my black Filofax that I have. And this does have the big back pocket. I wasn't sure if it was going to because of the large size, but it does. And it has 4 elastics, but you also see it has this big back pocket here, a big back pocket here, another pocket here, secretarial, it has these card slots right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, the big back pocket. And like the others, it has a zipper pouch. And the zipper pouch goes all the way towards almost the end of this back pocket, right until there. And I like the little protective piece for the zipper. Very, very cute. Okay, I guess I got one of these. I wouldn't consider this an insert. I consider it a collection of papers. But, I mean, it's just notebook paper, so you can just slide this in and, yeah. What I might do, it's a really thick paper. It feels, like it's a really premium paper. But I make my own inserts, so I might print my own cover, and then I might actually staple bind them and then trim them so they're actual B6 size. But one of the reasons why I got this is I have been loving This always happens with me with new notebooks. I try to do something and I mess up the elastics. But I've been using the B6 as a sketchbook. And what I was thinking I could do is put my B6 sketchbook in here, put a couple of inserts in here that I make, like a watercolor insert or a sketchbook insert, and then this lined insert, and then have a fun sort of on-the-go journaling planner of a slightly larger size, which I am enjoying for sketching. You can see I've done some doodles in here, some swatching of my markers, my Inktense palette, my Inktense pencils, more alcohol markers, some drawings. If you like this, you'll like the cover for my Patreon for next month. One of the covers. Emotes that I haven't done anything with for Twitch, but I haven't really done anything on Twitch in a few months. Some samples of things that I did. I love this lemon tree. I would love to have a Meyer lemon tree, actually. Some doodles, some watercolor swatches, watercolors, a palette I put together of some of my colored pencils, more colored pencils, a little test I did. There's some more. There we are. So that's what I'm wanting to use this for, is as a place to put see, this is why I don't have loose papers in my notebooks, because they tend to shift. But I want a place to keep my art book journal, and then put maybe some watercolor paper and some note paper, and I can use some of my little flowers that I've painted, and look, they can make cute little happy pocket things. Let's see. I'll use this one. a little cute. I'm not sure if that one will stick up enough. There we go. So that was all I wanted to share with you, is a look at my new notebook from Kane. It's really, really beautiful. The quality is really nice. It is a thinner material, so you could have the possibility where the top of your notebook will kind of divot in like this. And so for those of you wanting to know, this was a weekly special. The original price of this TN was $14.99. But when I added this, I guess you'll call it an insert, this paper, lined paper here, this was $5.99. So this, putting this on my order made the price of this folio notebook, traveler's notebook, go down to $10.50. So for the folio notebook, this insert, of course the freebies and shipping, it came to $21 and change, which for a B6 notebook of this quality is pretty amazing. And you can see, you can put that in the back. So if you have a B6 notebook, you can put it that way, or you can put it on the elastic if you want to. It's kind of thick elastic for this type of a notebook, but for like an insert or a group of papers like this, it's fine. So there we are. That is all I have to share with you today. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Okay? Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.